Inside your ManaRay box,
you'll find the ManaRay control unit, a joint-specific pad, a power cord, and instructions for use. Start in a seated position in a comfortable chair. This will help you easily apply your ManaRay device and get the most out of your therapy session. Remember, don't use this device on wet skin or near your eyes. For the neck pad, attach the controller to the LED pad. Then turn it on, and you will see a green light and hear a beep. Then wrap it around your neck and attach it by your chest with the hook and loop closure. For the shoulder pad, attach the controller to the device. Then, attach the hook and loop closure to the back panel. Then wrap the strap around your back and under the opposite arm and attach the hook and loop closure to the front panel. If you need to, detach the strap that feeds through the D-ring and tighten the strap by pulling it and reattaching it. Turn on the controller with the power button and you will see a green light and hear a beep. For the back pad, attach the controller to the LED pad. Then turn it on and wrap it around your back and secure it with the hook and loop strap. Ensure you don't look directly into the lights once the unit is on. For the hand pad, attach the controller to the LED pad. Then, insert your hand into the LED mitt and turn it on. You'll see a green light and hear a beep. For the knee pad, attach the controller to the LED pad. Then affix the pad onto your knee by attaching the upper hook and loop strap around your thigh. Then, attach the lower hook and loop strap around your calf. The controller should sit on the center of your knee. Turn on the controller with the power button and you will see a green light and hear a beep. For the ankle pad, attach the controller to the device. Then, for the first configuration, shape it into a cone. Then put your heel in the cutout and wrap the strap around the foot and ankle diagonally and attach it with the hook and loop closure. For the second configuration, wrap it around your ankle and lower leg, then wrap the strap around your leg and attach it with the hook and loop closure. Turn on the controller with the power button and you will see a green light and hear a beep. For the universal pad, attach the controller to the device. Then, wrap it around your desired treatment site with one strap above and one strap below the treatment area. Then secure it with both of the hook and loop attachments. If it's in a hard-to-reach area, turn the controller on before attaching it to the body by holding down the button for 3 seconds. You will see a green light appear and hear a beep. Press the power button to begin your 15-minute session. The device will beep to start and automatically shut off when it's done.
you can get 5 full 15-minute treatments out of one charge.
To recharge, connect the USB-C cable to the controller and a power source. A blinking orange light means it's charging. A solid orange light means it's fully charged and ready for your next session.